Well, good morning, all my Facebook, not family, and friends. So check it out. Facebook, check it out. You really need to record whatever my world is, okay? Even regardless of, I'm very opinionated because I can't filter what goes through my head, okay? So check it out. Sarasota Homeless Coalition just started this year, okay? And guess what? It's run by Deputy Sergeant, whoever, Hitler. Yeah! Sarasota Homeless Coalition is run by Sergeant Hitler, whatever. What he does is, with his two deputy girls, okay, he goes around and rounds up all the people, he tries to anyways, that are sleeping outside. No, literally sleeping outside. It is illegal now to sleep outside in Sarasota County. Are you flipping kidding me? Sarasota